you for a quick lift. Woo! Next working set. It's too light, bro. Gotta make it nice like this.
Was this a video?
Yeah.
Bro.
Running some interval training today at this random track. Yeah, I don't know if I can bring my camera though because I don't want anyone to steal it. But
I think you should bring the camera. Just sit it there.
I think someone might grab it.
There's no way.
So we'll just leave you right here, I think. Holy beautiful weather.
You don't know me now. I'm alright. You don't know me now. I'm alright. You don't know me now. This liquor's got me faded, talking crazy. Y'all know me now. I don't rip it twice. Y'all running out of time. Let me teach you right now. 네 눈은 어디 가 있나? 난 바다 건너야 임마. 난 너는 거리거리 물고 making trouble like I said it before.
Huh?
Doing 8 sets?
Yeah, I guess so.
Chop, bro. Holy chopped. There's like 8 more laps to go. Or, no, I mean 7 more sets. But I'm already so gassed. That's enough sprinting for today. Low-key, we did not do 1.5K.
We're
but,
gassed.
yeah. I think our legs are worked enough, so yeah. See you again during our easy run on Wednesday. Just eating lunch right now. Just made an oven-baked fish and some rice. After this, I'm probably gonna go do some work with a friend at Tim Hortons. And yeah, that's all I have planned for today, basically. Here's the fish. Looks kind of big, but I'm gonna eat it with rice, and can't forget the kimchi. How do I focus this? Do this. I think it's cooked. Now it'll be easier to eat. Rest in peace. This is my dessert, I can't lie. Yeah, so I'm just about to pick up some guys and then we're just gonna head over to Buttermilk. Yeah, see you there.
You guys order yet?
Should we just walk into August State instead?
$20 for a meal. Let's just go August State.
Should we just walk into August State?
Let's just go August State, bro. That's $20 for a whole meal, bro. That's not Onion popper and the original. Oh, yeah.
Got myself a poutine and a honey popper.
Holy, that was actually the clip of the day.
Oh my, it's so wet, bro.
Alright, that wasn't worth 17 bones, though.
You already finished your food.
Yeah. It was good, but it wasn't worth 17 bones. Also, the cream cheese is a bit odd. I think Dave's hot chicken over this.
Dave's so weird.
You tell her the food is not running away. She'd be a...
I'm not trying to take it.
Nah, that's what you say when you're low-key trying to take it from her. So she gets full fasting from eating slower. And then you get like a 1-2 extra bite after. That's low-key the method.
Just finished up with an evening run. Just ran around 9 kilometers. Follow me on Strava if you guys don't already. Here. If you're wondering why I'm running so much, I signed up for the Toronto Half Marathon, the waterfront one, in October. So I've been training for that recently. I've been on and off on training, but trying to get back onto schedule again. What else do I have to say? Yeah, I don't know if I like running too much. I wouldn't say running is easy yet. I still have to convince myself sometimes just to, put in that 1 kilometer more, or just to take a few extra steps or push through at the end. But I think I'm definitely improving. I remember the first time I went on a run, I could barely do a 5K, but now today almost doing 10K, it's pretty easy. I think I can do 21K, I just don't know how fast it would be. But yeah, that's everything for today. Probably gonna go to edit this vlog after I shower and then try to get this video out soon. Yeah, and I'll try to maybe do something more eventful for the upcoming week, because I know this week all I did was basically just stayed at home and ate here and there. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Let's not think about that. Looking at the stars, you are the moon.
Got myself a poutine and a honey popper. See what?
I want some screen time, bro.
Oh no.